As scientists, it's so easy to get caught up in the lab and proteins and cells and molecules and DNA. But I think we really have to communicate what we do to the public because they're the ones that are benefiting from what we're doing. So for me, I today will be on Twitter trying to describe what I do on a daily basis. For me, when I get home, I am very fond of a large bubble bath and a red wine. But also my dog is amazing, so she's always excited to see me, so that always helps too. So I'm like anyone else.
So I think that there's kind of two priorities that I have, and that is basically to educate the next generation, become good researchers and also good communicators. People want to know about science, but there's so much information out there, and it's like, how do they know where to go for that information? I'm a bit of a grandma. I crochet. I watch the Great British Bake Off. I go kickboxing. But I spend a lot of time thinking about worms. Is that bad?
You tell people, oh, I'm a researcher, I'm a scientist, and they sometimes don't really know what that means. So by showing, our everyday life, share our wins and share, stuff when it doesn't go quite as well. I did an experiment yesterday where the result looked really ugly, and I'm going to share that. So I guess what excites me about science is that every day you do something new. So you might be repeating an experiment, but potentially what you're looking at no one has ever seen before.
I think it's really about lifting others up and championing others. Everyone has bad days, and that's fine, and it's really humbling and refreshing when you see people sharing hard moments on Twitter. So this morning I got a lift to work at 6:30 with my dad. He wasn't particularly happy this morning, I think because we were both up very early, but I saw whales as I was driving into uni, and that's always a great start to the day, seeing some humpbacks breach.